Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. This Vanilla JavaScript tutorial is about achieving two things. You can see two form fields, apply button and text at the screen. We are aiming for this. Number one, on form submission. If nothing is submitted, show error message and highlight this div. If color and background is submitted, get those values and change color and background color for this div. Let's start. For HTML, I have got two form fields with class A and B. We have got a button and we have got a div with class result containing some text. For our JavaScript code, we have attached click event listener to a button. When this button will be clicked, it will fire up a function named as result, and this is that function. Ignore this, we will be using just this. On click of a button, query selector button, fire this function, and here will be our logic. First of all, let's get the values from form fields A and B. Let A document.querySelector element with class A dot value. Similarly, B let's do first point. If nothing is submitted, if A dot length is equal to 0 and B dot length is equal to 0. In this case, if both field values are empty, then document dot query selector, we will select our div with class result, this one. Dot inner HTML, and we will change this text to something like please type desired color values, and then again for this div dot style color is equal to white, and background color red, like a warning. And note that background color, this is in camel case, so it has got color and then background, so we will use camel case here. In CSS we write it like this, but here in JavaScript we will write it like this. So let's test it. Refresh the page, and we are not entering any value here. Click apply, and as you can see, please type desired color values, and color and background color for this div were changed. Refresh the page. So in other case, else, let's set color and background color for our div. We will need these two lines. So color should be, this is color, right? A. Color should be A, and background color should be B. So document.querySelector, select result div, change its style, and make its color to this value that will be submitted from here. It can be string, it can be color value with hash, and then querySelector result, style it, change background color to that what was submitted from here. And then also let's revert its text. In HTML it was WebStylePress originally. Save. Refresh. If nothing is submitted here, apply, and it is a warning. And if we submit values, like let's use yellow here, and then for background color let's use green. Apply, color is yellow, background is green. If we only submit background color, apply, and the color was not affected. White, green, apply, and here is the warning. That's it for this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to channel, and press bell icon. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.